Hello, welcome back again. So this video will be another whole new video, guys. Today I'm gonna try kimono, the Japanese kimono, because I'm in Japan. Obviously, I'm in Japan. Ay husik Japan dali, narita dali, Tokyo dali ngasi chatlaroy. Next, I have another flight to Japan again, so that time I will go there. So husik yun yun ay chatlaroy ay outfit. Please watch until the end. Thank you. Excited to see your face, homie. Console, and then over the trace come. We can see, baby. Guys, I'm really hungry right now, so I'm gonna eat something. Yeah. I'm gonna eat onigiri. This is steamed cheesecake. Okay, try this. ありがとう。Guys, ay kinuha bus na ibo ko. Ay fitting niya medyo. Ay kimono set look to ni. Guys, I'm waiting for the bus, and I'm gonna try this. Got this steamed cheese. Excuse me, bro. Here you go. Let me try. It's good, guys. It's good. So good. Jasmine tea. This one is pork, egg. Guys, I'm going to the Narita-san temple. Guys, ay si kimono gi store da ay chatliba kimono selfamda. ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯎꯠꯆꯔꯛꯑꯒꯦ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯩꯌꯦ. Second. Guys, ay yuri mapamda si kimono si juice tawiko. Okay, so the juice tawiko. Alright. Okay, those again. With juice. Guys, I see pinky kimono si choose tawreba aduga aise yam sida yam chawba mandra si kem thainati manungda aigina setpa jeans ri free tha habado loimak hapchallineba ko yam ingeba tugineba. Which one do you think is better, this side or this side, the bun? Which side of this dango is photo side? photo? This side.
It's this side.
ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯝ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯤꯔꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯛꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯟ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯊꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥ ꯉꯥꯡꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯁꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯪꯉꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯩꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯩꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯝ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯩꯌꯦ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯁꯦ ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯆꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯋꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯔꯥ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯤꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯋꯦꯕ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯥꯏꯗꯣꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯗꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯆꯧꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯐꯖ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕꯩ ꯋꯥꯅꯤꯗ now I regret it but anyway it's okay okay this is the last ꯐꯦꯟ ꯈꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯐꯦꯟ ꯃꯆꯨ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯁ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯣꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯕꯦꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯁꯨ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯃꯆꯨ ꯄꯥꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯣꯛ ꯉꯥꯎꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯐꯦꯟꯁꯨ ꯀꯩ ꯃꯆꯨ ꯐꯦꯟ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯑꯁ ꯁꯤ ꯆꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯏ ꯂꯤꯞꯁꯇꯤꯛ ꯁꯪꯉꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯟ ꯇꯤ ꯊꯛꯏ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯦꯜ ꯂꯨꯛꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯐꯣꯇꯣ ꯁꯨꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯅꯤ ꯄꯣꯁ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯅ ꯖꯄꯅꯤꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯏꯜ ꯖꯄꯅꯤꯁ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯇꯧꯋꯣꯌꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯅꯤ Guys, I feel a little bit awkward because no one is wearing traditional attire and also it's early in the morning around 10 a.m. It's not that early but still it's early in Narita because no one is there. It's not very crowded but I feel very awkward because I'm the only one wearing traditional attire early in the morning. Everyone is looking at me and I'm the center of attention and I don't really like it, but anyway I did take the challenge to myself and enjoy the beautiful moment. And here is a little monkey. ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯌꯦ ꯇꯧ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯩ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯋꯥꯒ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯉꯥꯡꯖꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤꯀோ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯟ ꯊꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯃꯥꯏꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯇꯥꯡꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯗꯣ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯏꯛꯁꯨ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯈꯪꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯕꯨꯙ ꯇꯦꯝꯄꯜꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯅꯥꯔꯤꯇꯥ ꯁꯥꯟ ꯇꯦꯝꯄꯜ ꯃꯅꯥꯛꯇ ꯕꯨꯙ ꯇꯦꯝꯄꯜ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯄꯣꯗ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯅꯝꯕꯅꯦꯕ I don't know what to do guys. Standing and posing, no one is here to taking pictures of me. It's okay. And also the streets are so beautiful. You can see all the souvenir store shop and there is a lot of restaurant, cafe, and I tried matcha ice cream as well. I was walking on the street thinking like, okay, what if someone thinks that I'm doing too much? But literally I don't care. After all, I just want to thanks to God for giving me the opportunity to travel around the world. Especially this place is one of my dream destination since I was very small, and now I have the privilege to walk on the street of Narita wearing kimono and exploring the beautiful temple places and buying good stuff for myself. This is a real dream life. And ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯅꯨꯕꯤꯁꯤꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯪꯁꯤ ꯐꯖꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯔꯤꯒꯥꯇꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯍꯜꯂꯒꯦ ꯐꯤꯔꯣꯜ ꯍꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ. Guys, I'm gonna eat here. Arigato. Arigato.